Making a delicious chicken and rice casserole is simple, comforting, and perfect for family meals. This classic dish combines tender chicken, fluffy rice, and a creamy sauce, often enhanced with vegetables for added flavor and nutrition. To start, gather your ingredients: boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs, long-grain white or brown rice, chicken broth, cream of mushroom or cream of chicken soup, shredded cheese, and vegetables like carrots, peas, or broccoli. You'll also need seasonings such as garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and optional herbs like thyme or parsley for extra depth of flavor. Begin by preheating your oven to 375 degrees and lightly greasing a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. If using raw chicken, season it generously with salt, pepper, and any preferred spices to infuse flavor as it cooks. Next, in a large mixing bowl, combine the uncooked rice with the cream of chicken or mushroom soup, chicken broth, and seasonings. Stir well to create a creamy, flavorful base for the casserole. If you're adding vegetables, mix them into the rice mixture to ensure they cook evenly and absorb the delicious flavors. Pour the rice and sauce mixture into the prepared baking dish, spreading it evenly. Then, place the seasoned chicken directly on top of the rice mixture. The chicken will cook in the sauce, keeping it moist and tender while infusing the casserole with rich flavor. Cover the dish tightly with aluminum foil to trap moisture and allow the rice to cook properly. Bake in the preheated oven for about 45-50 minutes, or until the rice is tender and the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Once fully cooked, remove the foil and sprinkle shredded cheese over the top of the casserole. Cheddar, mozzarella, or a blend of cheeses all work beautifully to add a creamy, melty topping. Return the dish to the oven uncovered and bake for an additional 5 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. If you prefer a crispy golden topping, you can broil it for a minute or two at the end. Allow the casserole to rest for a few minutes before serving to let the flavors meld together. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley or a sprinkle of paprika for a pop of color and added taste. Serve warm and enjoy this hearty one-pan meal that is both easy to make and incredibly satisfying. For variations, try substituting different vegetables like bell peppers, spinach, or mushrooms, or using wild rice for a nutty flavor. You can also swap out the cream-based soup for a homemade roux with milk and butter for a fresher, less processed option. Whether you're making it for a weeknight dinner, a potluck, or meal prep, this chicken and rice casserole is a comforting classic that never disappoints.